Hello, everyone. How are you all? So, I Parijat welcome you all in my this video. Okay, so today we will cover the same features of entrepreneurship part 2, and in last video we covered obviously the features of entrepreneurship part 1. Okay, so we are covering in this major chunks. So today we will cover the part 2. Okay, and we will wind it up also. So, according to me, the first, the next characteristic or feature which can be added is self motivation and passion. Whatever you do in your life, okay, whatever career you make in your life, is actually dependent on you. What you aspire, what you want from your life, right? And I think everyone agrees with my this point. Okay. What is motivation? Motivation is a desire or force that enables you to influence yourself or drive yourself towards attaining a particular or specific goal. Okay. Now, motivation, according to my perspective, can be of two types. Okay. First, can be motivation, can be developed from within yourself, and second can be motivation can be developed from outside forces also. Basically motivation from internal environment, motivation from external environment. Motivation from internal environment basically means what you actually learn within yourself, what is going in your inner consciousness. Okay, is your inner consciousness is the determinant or the basic variable to define your motivation level. Okay, suppose since childhood I love to say sing songs, I love to listen the music, I love to watch movies. Okay, so that is my motivation which can be developed from within myself, and I can also make my career like in the singing. Okay, is like this. Okay, this is motivation from within. If you have done motivation from studying from class nursery and always coming first in the class, and then so yeah, that develops into a motivation, and then yes, you achieve very higher goals in your life. Okay, like by becoming doctor, engineer, or anything you want to. Now we talk about external environment motivation or extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation can be the motivation taken from the leaders. Okay, any political leader, business leader, anyone. Okay, like I can talk about motivation being taken from the motivational videos on YouTube, motivation being taken from Mr. Sundar Pichai, Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Okay, and in the business world, obviously Mr. Mukesh Ambani, and like big businessmen like Adani and etc. Right? So this can be the source of motivation for us. Now comes the passion. Passion is can be said as not as motivation. Okay, so now see, now try to develop the difference between passion and motivation. पैशन मीन्स कि जो तुम बहुत शिद्दत से मतलब चाहते हो, ये इसमें तुम्हारा मतलब कि एक इंटरेस्ट फैक्टर है. ठीक है, तुम्हारा एक जुनून है, एक जज्बा है उस काम को करने का, उसको तुम कहोगे पैशन. एंड मोटिवेशन एक वो चीज़ होती है कि वो इंस्पिरेशन से कनेक्टेड होती है. सो जो चीज़ें इंस्पिरेशनल हैं, ठीक है, वो हमको हमारे मेंटोर से मिल सकती है, हमारे माँ बाप से मिल सकती है. जैसा मैंने कहा, एक्सट्रिंसिक या इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन हो सकता है. इस तरीके से होती हैं बहुत सारी बातें. ठीक है, तो ये बेसिकली चीज़ है कि पैशन डील्स विद योर इंटरेस्ट फैक्टर एंड मोटिवेशन डील्स विद योर इंस्पिरेशनल फैक्टर. ठीक है, ये है बस बेसिक डिफरेंस. बाकी these terms, yeah, you can use those interchangeably, right? So first feature ये हो गया. एग्जाम्पल मैं बता देता हूँ, ठीक है, ताकि मेरा ये आर्गूमेंट को मैं सपोर्ट कर पाऊँ. uh, suppose आज मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, today I'm making this video on entrepreneurship because I desire to become an entrepreneur, I desire to become a businessman. Okay, for example, this is not in reality. Okay, so now this I have decided. Okay, basic things I have told you. Okay, so this can be my motivation and passion as well. My passion to become as an entrepreneur, and my motivation is also my motivation element is also there associated to become an entrepreneur. Right, now you can fit any of your examples. Okay, which can suit you, or which can be a best fit. So first point is clear. Now second point comes that you have to see what actually the people who are working with you or under you want from your side. Okay, this can also be termed as a feature, because your goals and aspirations should be connected with the goals and aspirations of the employees. If the goals or your working pattern doesn't go in alignment with the your employees, then it will surely gonna create a big problem, and you will not be able to achieve your goals for which you have established your startup, right? So you have to understand the needs and demands of your employees. Okay, you should always timely motivate them. Okay, tell them, and some provide some on the job and off the job training methods as well. These are actually all examples which we are covering right now, right? So this is the second feature. Okay, now I think there is no need to like give an example. I think you can guess that example and can fit as well. Okay, or you can take my previous example also. So second point is clear, I guess. Now the third and foremost point comes is that you contribute yourself. Okay, contribute yourself in the sense that you make profits, you do something good for the society. I think I merely remember, but maybe we have covered this point, I think, but by some other meaning, or some other word. Okay, so just try to replement this point also. Okay, you contribute yourself to the society, to the nation. Okay, to the other entrepreneurs also. Now understand what is the actual point. How you contribute to the nation? By allocating resources, by providing employment to the people, by making profits. Okay, how you contribute to the other entrepreneurs? Okay, there soon becomes a network. Okay, a network, a connection among all the entrepreneurs who are carrying the same level of business activity. When some business activity is there, of course the economic factors are affected. Okay, some technology, if there is some introduction of a technological advancement. Okay, so that if that technology is used in a better way, and removing all the old and outdated technology methods, then surely it is going to contribute to the economy of your nation. Okay, be it in terms of disposable income, be it in terms of gross domestic product, or any other economic factor, right? So I think the basic points are very very clear now. Okay, what we are why we actually try to become an entrepreneur, or what is the reason. Okay, what is the reason for going in that line? I think from the features point of view, it would be now more clear to you all. Okay, and you can grasp Don't try to grasp, but yeah, but try to, you know, explain yourself, try to understand it. Explain yourself in the sense, like, keep yourself in that situation, that what can you do as an entrepreneur for the society, for the nation, for your family, okay, for other entrepreneurs also, okay. So these are the basic points which I today covered, okay. Next we will come upon the factors to be kept in mind, the positive factors to be kept in mind, including the do's and don'ts of entrepreneurship, okay. And any comments or feed in the form of feedbacks or suggestions are welcome from your side, guys. So if you feel that any point has been missed, then please do let me know in the comment section, okay. And I will also be putting the link of part 1 video in the description box, so just go and see it. And last but not the least, guys, please follow my this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also tap on the notification bell, okay, which is there, so that you can get daily or recent updates of my videos, okay. So till then, good night. एंड आई थिंक जो मैं हमेशा लास्ट में कहता हूँ, आप सब लोग घर पर रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखें और नई नई चीज़ों को सीखते रहें, ओके। इसी के साथ मैं अब आप सबसे अलविदा लेता हूँ, ओके। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।